like the excess rip-off.
The oh my god burger. What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a hot minute. It took like a good 2-month hiatus, but I'm back with another video. It's cold as fuck outside. As you can see, we're in the middle of winter. February just started. But I think I gotta get his money. So today, we out here on these streets, and we're gonna pull up to a spot that I've been hearing about for a while. It's called the Chicken Cartel. The Chicken Cartel. They're famous for chicken sandwiches. It's ran by a chef that chose to create a restaurant based on chicken sandwiches. I've been seeing people review the spot. It looks like it's popping, so we're gonna pull up over there and see what they're talking about. All right, so we finally pull up to the spot, the Chicken Cartel. Let's go inside and see what this place is talking about. Doesn't look like there's anybody in here.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Hey.
Welcome.
This is your first time here, man?
Yeah, this is my first time here.
Amazing. Who told you about this place?
I actually found out about it on Instagram. Somebody sent it to me.
So, let me break it down for you
Okay.
in terms of menu. So, the first two are simpler in profile, meaning
Okay.
simple flavors,
Yep.
but still extremely tasty. And then from this one onwards, it's more elevated or gourmet or both. I would definitely recommend the OMG.
OMG.
It's a banger sandwich. Banger,
OMG. So I'll grab that one, and there's another one I've seen here that I wanted to grab. I think it was this one here, the TKO.
That's the OG.
The OG?
Yeah.
Okay, let me grab that too.
Yeah.
Yep. And let me get.
Sandwich, you're getting sides. You can make one a combo if you want.
Let me make one a combo.
Yeah.
Let me get the seasoned fries.
Seasoned
Yeah,
fries.
that's what it was.
Really good.
Yeah, let me grab that too as well.
And choice of drink because it comes with the fries.
Choice of drink. Let me just get a Diet Coke.
Coke Zero works for you?
Yeah, Coke Zero works for me. Yeah.
I'm Dahlia. I do the
Dahlia?
chicken operation.
Okay, nice
Yeah.
to meet you. Nice to meet
to
you. Yeah.
I'll
So
get out of your way. So let me clear.
can I ask a quick
This.
question though?
Yeah.
So you do the marketing. So how long has this place been open?
It has been open since 2019.
2019. This location?
No, this one's only been open for 6 months.
Oh, 6 months.
Yeah, the other location opened in what year?
September of 21.
September 21?
2021, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So you own the restaurant? Or?
He does, yeah.
Oh, he does.
Chef Donnie, yeah. He got let go from a very popular restaurant in the distillery.
Yeah.
And so when the press got a hold of it,
I see.
they written up that,
I
he got
see.
let go and then he opened this concept.
Yeah.
So he actually turned a trailer in Oakville, and one post went viral, like 2 million views. Somebody else came, 1 million views. So he got slammed,
Oh, I see.
and it just went viral. The sandwich went viral.
And then-
yeah. So now
Bam.
he opened this location, but we're still trying to create a community here and
Yeah.
a vibe, But if you want to do an event here, we can work something out and comp
Okay.
some stuff. Like if you want to run something, we can set up a speaker right there. We'll take out that table.
Okay.
And you could run something for your guests and stuff like that.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Gotta create the event and the community for things to happen. We're gonna do some music stuff. I'm also a recording artist.
What kind of recording do you do? What are you, like a musician or something?
Yeah. So I do
What kind of
more
music?
like pop, R&B
Oh.
with a world vibe to
Oh,
it.
wow.
Yeah, and but I've been writing for other artists for so long, so I stopped doing that. Just like keep my own shit. You know what I mean?
I see. You doing a pop up?
Yeah, at Farm Boy.
Oh, I think that's what you were just breaking down
Yeah,
to
we're
me.
really excited.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
Saturday.
This Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
what
gonna be,
time?
from 11 to 3
11 to
or
3?
or until sold out, whichever comes first.
Okay.
Yeah, Saturday in their crazy busy location at Queen and Bathurst.
Queen and Baptist.
29 Bathurst. Yeah,
I
I'm
see.
really excited for that.
I see. So what inspired
to
you?
even be called by Farm Boy is a privilege, you know.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's
So
a
like
big-
there's
it's a
a big certified.
Premium meats, premium products.
Yeah, it's like Whole Foods
Yeah.
at that level,
Okay.
but it's Canadian based.
I see.
Originally from Ottawa, if I'm not mistaken.
I see. Okay. So what inspired you to become a chef?
Hey,
What inspired you to become a chef?
what inspired me? I love to eat.
Oh, you love to eat.
So if I can cook my own food, then I don't depend on nobody else.
That's the best thing.
Right.
When you can cook your own
And
food.
if you can cook it well,
Yeah.
actually hold that thought.
Hold that thought.
It's like
Hold up, let me make sure.
no,
I don't
yeah,
burn
so
anything.
this is one thing, yeah. So he has a Chef Donnie brand,
Chef Donnie.
and then he has because he comes from fine dining,
Yeah.
but he wanted to make an approachable sandwich.
I
That's
see.
premium.
Yeah.
So like every ingredient there,
Yeah, yeah.
he curates for a while before you can experience it. So the pickles, he's treated the pickles a certain way for a few days. Like
Okay.
the slaw is made, so his mise en place is already very premium ingredients and his recipes. So it's like very particular how he puts everything
I
together.
see.
All the sauces, the citrus mayo.
So it has a very distinct flavor to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can't wait to try it.
Handpicked, yeah. And what you're experiencing today are all like signatures. So the Cartelito, the TKO, the OMG, the uppercut, the uppercut and OTW and Piccolito.
Oh, okay.
So those are
I
like
see.
the classics that are back. But never know, we may drop
Something new.
an LTO. You gotta just stay ready.
Okay.
Stay ready.
I'll be looking out for that, definitely.
Yes. Let me take it faster. Swing back. Back.
Basically, the chicken goes from the fryer into our homemade chili oil,
Yeah.
made from scratch. It is not considered spicy. This is more savory than it is spicy. Just take the excess drip off. Just keep it here for a few seconds while the excess drips off. Go over the other sandwich. This is definitely one of my favorites, the OMG.
The OMG.
Yes, sir. So this chili rub is not just a bunch of chili.
Chili rub, that's the first time I'm having any kind of rub, to be honest.
This is a mixture of 7 chilies from 7 different countries.
Ooh,
And about 14 spices.
14 spices.
Right? You can smell it. I hope
Yeah, I
you
can smell
handle
it.
your eat.
Oh, I could definitely.
Okay. Good. So that goes onto here.
Yep.
Put that away. Excess is dripped off in here. Put it.
Looks amazing.
And be ready with these guys. Just flip that over.
Man.
Or flip. Sorry. Over. Who doesn't like a little spill, And these are seasoned fries. Put some here. Some here.
Burger's looking crazy, as you can see.
How does it smell?
Smells amazing. So which one is this one again?
That's the TKO.
This is the
That's the
TKO?
one that's going to be featured in Farm Boy.
And this is the
OMG.
OMG. All right.
Right.
So we got a TKO, as you can see. It looks
Sorry, I gotta
scrumptious.
wash that.
Looks nothing like I've seen before. Top quality burger. Beautiful bun. Nice and soft. Nice and warm. It looks crunchy. All right, let me take a bite.
Quiet accent.
Mmm.
Drink a lot, so quiet accent.
Mmm. Well, that's fire. A little bit flavor. Fresh chicken breast. Soft bun. Pickles amazing. Product burger. The chef definitely knows what he's doing. Tell my friend, 10 out of 10 burger.
5 thumbs up.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 burger. I
Already?
love the burger.
Already?
This one here. So that was the TKO, right?
That's the TKO.
Okay.
That's the first one I ever came up with out of all 6.
Oh wow.
That's the OG.
So this is what pretty much made it famous.
That's the OG. That's the one that started, yeah.
Okay.
It's very balanced. It's got a bit of everything happening.
Mm-hmm. Let me try the fries real quick.
Yeah.
Solid fries. They're fresh, they're warm, crispy. They have a nice taste to it. Well seasoned. 9 out of 10 fries, it's solid. Alright. Now for the oh my god burger. Take a look at this. Move this around here real quick. The oh my god burger. Nice and crispy. They got a dry rub on there. Pickles. Take a bite. Yeah, this one's definitely hot. Woo! On a heat level, on a Richter scale of 1 to 10 when it comes to heat, I would say it's about 8 out of 10 when it comes to heat. It's nice and crispy, loaded with flavor, tastes very fresh. The sauce is nice, the bun is nice. Amazing burger. When I come back and get this, 100%. It's solid. Whew. Overall, what I give this place, I mean, a nice piece. Quality of the food is good. Overall, I'll give them a 10 out of 10. It's a solid spot.
Now, when you get, so this OMG burger is designed a little bit differently. It's not designed to get you that heat on that first bite or second bite.
Okay.
When you're halfway through, then you remember.
I'll take another bite.
Yeah. Well, when you get through the whole, it's designed because you know what, people should be getting their money's worth.
Mm-hmm.
If you're gonna pay me, say, $20 for a sandwich,
Yeah.
and you can only eat 3 bites because it's just way too hot, then what's the point?
I hear you.
I want you to be able to finish the whole thing.
Yeah, I can take spice, so.
Yeah. So finish the whole thing, and then you know you'll get a better understanding of the rate.
Okay, let me take another bite. Yeah, as I eat, it's definitely getting hotter in terms of heat. So you were right about that.
Like build, it's a builder.
Still good, I love it. I'm a heat person.
Yeah. And something we do that you don't know. I don't know if we'll continue to do it. It's a toss-up in terms of a discussion, but in the last 3 years we've been doing where we do a different country as a fried chicken sandwich.
Okay.
And you know, it's just to encompass the metropolis that we have in Toronto, right? We've got all these different ethnicity. I'm from different background, you're from different background.
Yep.
And because there are so many cultures, I said, you know, how can we encompass flavors from those countries by through a fried chicken sandwich? And if you look at that wall right there, that's the wall of the different countries that we've done. Not all of them, but whichever ones could fit in the wall. You know, so we've done Jamaica, we've done Middle East, we've done China, we've done.
So you've had a Jamaican chicken sandwich at one point?
Oh yeah, this is jerk profile. It's one of our top sellers.
Pork? Jerk pork?
It's called smoky. No, all chicken.
All chicken, okay, I'm about to say.
All it's called smoky, and it's just flavors from Jamaica. So it's not Jamaican food. Just making it clear.
Do you still have it?
No.
If I wanted it, like, if I requested it, would you be able to make it at one point?
Not for a one-off. It'll
Okay.
be more like if it was a catering. Say you know you wanted
Okay.
25 of these.
Yeah.
It's got because we make everything from scratch. So the pickle is not from a jar. I slice them and I make them.
Oh, okay.
The cabbage we slice each one. You know everything's made from zero. Nothing is made from. A
That's
bag.
all I like to hear.
Yeah. The only thing I don't make is the bun. Right.
Best ingredients are the best ingredients.
Yeah, even the chili oil that you saw me dunking to, that's a homemade chili oil. So everything is made. And so when we make these countries, we want it to be such that all the effort put into making the different things, we don't want to just do just for one, right? We want to be able to. So we usually launch it on the weekends, Friday and Saturday, and it's like first come, first serve. Till we sell out, we sell out. We have X amount of quantity that we want to push out. Now, if somebody wants to do a catering, say, hey, listen, I really like that sandwich. I'm having a birthday party. Can you do like 100 sliders or something like that? Yeah, for sure. Then it's worth doing it.
Okay.
So, those things are on another level from these things. Yeah.
Okay.
In terms of flavor,
You guys hear that, guys?
it's something you want to definitely experience.
Pull up to the Cartel Burger. Some of the best burgers in Toronto. I stamp that.
Really excited about this product. Only available at the Etobicoke store. We got our own branded beer. It's just a light blonde lager. Testing the market, see how it goes. But how sexy is this can?
Yeah, it looks really good, to be
And all
honest.
black chicken Cartel.
It looks like something I definitely.
Perfect for the summer.
Yeah.
Hopefully rolling it out by when the weather gets a little better, or
Yeah.
maybe sooner, and just see how the crowd takes it. So we're really excited.
Okay.
Thanks.
Do you have any of that right now, like for sale? That's the only can?
Yeah. Can't sell it yet. Gotta get the compliance all done.
Okay.
Before I can put that out there in the market.
Okay. I would have tested it for you.
I would love for you to taste it. But you know, we're here.
Yeah.
You can always come back.
All right, guys. So on my way out of there, the owner pulled me aside and he was like, so how do you really feel about the food? I looked at him and I'm like, brother, what I said is what I said. That's how I really felt about the food. I just wanted everybody to know that me, I'm not like the rest of these Toronto food reviewers, bloggers, whatever you want to call them. Me, I'm going to give you the straight up, honest opinion, the truth, nothing but the truth. So anytime you see this face around, just know, whatever I say, I actually mean.